A Fayetteville junior high student is diagnosed with a rare, contagious, deadly disease. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chelsea Helms. Fox 24's Katie Davila explains how Fayetteville Public Schools is forcing parents to take action and a warning from the Arkansas Department of Health.
Whooping cough confirmed at Woodland Junior High.
Parents with kids in close contact to the student were given this letter notifying them of the illness. It also tells them they have until Monday to get vaccinated or take the antibiotic. If they don't, they can't go to school for at least 21 days.
But if parents don't follow the mandatory measures, Fayetteville Public Schools says their time away won't hinder their education.
We don't want a child to be penalized if they make the choice not to vaccinate their children. That's their own personal decision, and we will do whatever we can to make sure that they stay current on their academics.
ADH Chief Medical Officer Gary Wheeler says the disease is so dangerous, people start getting vaccinated as babies and continue booster shots into adulthood.
Even though we're talking today about kids who were in junior high, they have contacts at home and other places with very young children, and once the illness gets started, it spreads within a community and begins to affect everyone.
Wheeler says getting the vaccine is the only way to protect your child from the deadly and rare disease.
These kids often wind up in the hospital. They can stop breathing, they can have seizures, that can be a very serious illness.
All Arkansas students are required to be immunized. If parents choose not to vaccinate, they must get an exception from the health department.
If your child is attending a school and has not been fully vaccinated, that you have to understand that your child will be excluded from school until the outbreak is over.
Though the Woodland Junior High case is contained, Wheeler says ADH must take precautions to make sure it doesn't spread weeks or even months down the road.
They have the capacity to develop disease like a week from now or 2 weeks from now, and then they get sick and they infect everybody else in the class all over, so the cycle begins again.
In Fayetteville, Katie Davila, Fox 24 News.
Katie,